Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Hub. In this video, I will show you how to unarchive a story on Instagram so you can bring back your old stories and make them visible again. Instagram automatically saves your stories in the archive after 24 hours and you can easily reshare or highlight them. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and log into your account. Now go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now tap on the three lines in the top right corner and select Archive from the menu. Here you will see all your previously uploaded stories saved automatically. Tap on the story you want to unarchive. Let me go with this one. Now tap the three dots more icon at the bottom right and tap Share. From here, you can either add it back to your story or put it in a highlight so it stays permanently on your profile. And that's it. That's how you unarchive and reshare. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.